In today's video, I am going to walk you through the many ways in which I have helped out with coral restoration projects. Watch till the end as I explain how you can get involved. I have always been fascinated by the beauty and diversity of the ocean's coral reefs. However, over the years I have witnessed firsthand the devastating effects of climate change, pollution and overfishing on these delicate ecosystems. It became clear to me that action needed to be taken to protect and restore coral reefs before it was too late. My passion for saving coral reefs led me to become involved in various conservation efforts. I joined a team of researchers studying the impacts of ocean acidification on coral growth and developed new strategies for coral restoration. We experimented with different coral propagation techniques, including coral gardening and the use of artificial reefs, to help rebuild damaged and degraded reefs. I have also seen firsthand the devastating effects of coral bleaching, as once vibrant and colourful reefs turn ghostly white and lifeless. It's a heartbreaking sight to see, and it's only getting worse. Climate change, pollution and overfishing are all contributing to the decline of coral reefs around the world. One of the most important things we can do to stop coral bleaching is to reduce our carbon footprint. The warming of the oceans is a direct result of human activities, and it's up to us to make changes to our lifestyle to help reduce our impact on the environment. This can include things like driving less, eating a plant-based diet, and supporting renewable energy sources. Another critical step in saving coral reefs is to reduce pollution in our oceans. This means properly disposing of waste, reducing the use of harmful chemicals, and supporting sustainable fishing practices. We must also work to protect critical habitats, such as mangroves and seagrass beds, that serve as nurseries and feeding grounds for many reef species. But saving coral reefs requires more than just scientific research, restoration efforts, and reducing our impact. It also requires raising awareness and educating the public about the importance of protecting these vital ecosystems. I worked with local communities and schools to promote sustainable fishing practices and reduce pollution in the ocean. We organised beach cleanups and educational workshops to engage people in the conservation effort. Now the bit that you have been waiting for. How can you get involved? Research your local ocean charities or non-government organisations. Many of them run beach cleans that may be local to you. If you don't live near the ocean, many organisations have citizen science projects that you can join online. They involve many different projects that you can get involved in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button.